of the 20 members, 40% are philosophers. So 20 times 0.4 is 8. So that means if you were to sum up this column here, it would be 8. And we know that there's a total of 20, and they're either philosophers or not philosophers, so this would have to be a 12. Among those who are not philosophers, so I'm in this column here, the ratio of those who hold a PhD to those who do not hold a PhD is 1 to 3. So, let me see, 1 to 3. For those who hold a PhD to those who do not. All right, so that's 4 parts. They either have a PhD or they don't. And I've got 12 here. 3, 6, 9, 12. It's got to be multiples of 3. So it's 1 to 3. So that would be 3 here and 9 here, because 3 times 3 times 3, there's your 1 to 3. Okay? All right. Now what do I know? Among those who are philosophers, so now I'm over here in this column, the ratio of those who hold a PhD to those who do not hold a PhD is 7 to 1. Well, once again, 7 to 1. And, wait, we see. Those who hold a PhD to those who do not. All right, so that's a total of 8 parts. So that would be 7 and 1. So if I total this first row, that gives me a 10. And this also gives me a 10. And it says to me, for all 20 members, the ratio of those who hold a PhD, who do not hold a PhD. So we're talking about these rows here, only 2 rows we have, is X to Y. So hold a PhD, do not hold a PhD, well, that's 10 to 10, or otherwise known as a 1-to-1 relationship.